Ya ke Jylla rakhe kan mau burom ya ke lyngkhuh sngi balai pesan snem jong Myntri Rangbah nyngkong ke Jylla Meghalaya late Captain Williamson Sangma la penlong haka arpusan trik risau hatura ka Jylla kala ai burom ya uniu nong sensyar ubayo ijngai ubah ha ke Jylla ke jong la te ya ke nong rim na ke benta ke jinglong kerpang jong ke Jylla Meghalaya bat ka jing penyo ya ke Jylla da ke lenti ke jingsuk. Shibenta jong kini ke jing rakhe kan mau burom la pelat pat baru ya ke kot bala ai kerteng Captain Williamson Sangma, Architect of Meghalaya, bala tho da Dr. Andrew Simons, Commissioner and Secretary ke Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, da ulampang ka ying dorbar thau ain ke Jylla Thomas Sangma, ubala yadon lang ha kini ke sngi kum ukongsan. Haba ai jingkran ulampang ulapen pau halor ka jinya dai ba shimet jong bat uni unoyalam bala khlat no da ka ba pen kan mau ya ki ki ba ula sakhi ha ka por ba udang ya don ringkat lang bat u Captain Sangma ha ka por ba udang longkum Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla. Lampang ula kedawru ya ka jingkut jingmut baskem jong Captain Sangma kat kum kilinti jong ke sensyar pat ba bat ke jingsung. Ula kedaw ba ke Meghalaya kala yo ialah ke jong ke Jylla klem kenu ke jingya snam. Ha ka jingya lam ke bada ke jinget jong Captain Sangma ba ki kam ya snam ki penkhahi ya ki jingya snam. Thomas ula batai ru ya kum uwe na ki briu bala buromba ha ka history jong kesan perthei bat ke imlang salang ha Meghalaya uba ke jinglong no yalam jong ha ka por jong ke jingle hill state ka penpau ya ke jing shlur ka ba khamper ka jinglong bajanai bat ke jing sensyar ka ba don nong rim. Nalor kata ula pertoru halor ke benta jong Captain Sangma ban penyatli ha pedeng ki jai benriu khasi jain tia bat garo. Dei namar ke jinglong nong yalam batebet jong baki lai teli ki jai benriu ki bayakran halaki jong ki ktien ki laya teli lang kawe. Ula ong da ka penpau ya ka pateng jong ka jing burom bat ke jingkut jingmut lang ka ba Captain Sangma kershan. Habakran halor kini ke kot bala pelat pat ba unong tho Dr. Andrew Simons ula penpau ke jing sngongu ya ka long ying jong Captain Sangma bat ya ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Library halor ke jing penyo ya ki jing don kam ki bayade bat ki jing bu jing tho makongsan. Ula ong bawat la ken mau burom da ki babun ya Captain Sangma Henry ki jing tho ki babnia syapang ke jing long jing imbat ki jing no snyang jong ki duna shibun bat kene kala ai mensim ya ba unshim ya kene ke sinjam ha ka ban tho bat penmi ya kene ke kon ha kene ke si la ya don lang ru Myntri Sarkar branding Sangma Secretary ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Malthus Sangma ki officer ka Assembly Secretariat ki dekhor ka longying Captain Sangma ki samla pule bat ki wei.
Thank you once again. Thank you so much.
So indeed it has been a blessed day. You were meant to be here. It is God sent. That someone just stated in his prayer. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen. It was a pleasure having you all here. Special thanks to our friends from the media who will be displaying a group photograph as well. I think the family members and the Maharis of the Ampang clan as well as our distinguished.
So if you can tell us about today's book release ceremony.
Yes, as you can see behind me, we have just I had the privilege of releasing a book on late Captain W.A. Sangma, the first Chief Minister of Meghalaya, and also the first Chief Minister from Garo Hills, first Governor from Garo Hills also. A book titled A Tribute to late Captain W.A. Sangma. This book, I hope, will inspire people of the state and will get some insight of the leadership qualities that he had, and also the speeches that is given in the book. People will have the first-hand knowledge through reading of this book. So I hope this book will help and inspire the future generations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's really an honor and a privilege for me to be attending this ceremony on the release of the book on Captain Sangma. which I would say has been a very painstakingly written, and all the efforts that have been provided from different sources, particularly the family members of late Captain Williamson A. Sangma, who has given me very much information and outputs about his life and legacy. And we have been able also to gather information from the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly on the obituary references paid on the passing away of late Captain Williamson A. Sangma, rich tributes paid by all the great political stalwarts of the state at the time. And I would also like to thank the assembly team from the media cell, from the library of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. It's really an honor and privilege for me to author this book, which I'm sure will be valuable and very informative as well to all the honorable members, to the research scholars and the students as well. Thank you.
Sir, if you can tell us what inspired you to write this book?
Well, much has been said about our freedom, our Hill State movement, and Captain Sangma is being widely regarded as the father of Meghalaya. And I was wondering, I mean, why something has not been written about his life and legacy, which will be informative to the younger generations. And even for me as well, I am not so much familiar about the Hill State movement. And this initiative, which I am taking, I feel will be very informative to the and a service to the younger generations to know more, about the Hill State movement and the role that Captain Sangma plays in the freedom movement, and the ideas and principles of non-violence that he promoted. So those are the values which I really admire about him, though I have not met him, but I always admire his political journey and the life that he led. Thank you.
So, just one more question, sir. A very special occasion commemorating his death anniversary, and your book being released by Honorable Speaker and his family being present. So, what is the feeling, sir?
It is very, I would say it's an emotional feeling for me as well. And I could somehow complete the book, on his death anniversary. Though, of course, I was in contact with the family members last year. But despite my busy schedule, I was able to complete somehow, the thinking of bringing out the book before his death anniversary. And I'm really thankful that the family members are present here today, and we are able to complete on his death anniversary. And the Honorable Speaker has been kind enough to grace this occasion and release the book.